येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै कृष्णाय
Krishna He
भक्त
Krishna He
तद्भक्ताय भो वैष्णवे भो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silanan Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satsya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Guruvanda Guru Goswami Maharaj Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Bhakti Bhavanapuri Goswami Maharaj Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So continue, I also discuss about the life history and teaching of Rupa Goswami Pad, Rupa Goswami Chaitra, and Siksha. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met with Rupa Goswami Pad in Prayag. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave some instruction to Rupa Goswami Pad, that is called Rupa Siksha. Few days we also discuss these things. Yeah, how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu invested all his potency in his heart. Hmm? And especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told, "Ye- when Rupa Goswami met with me in Prague, I invested all my treasure of heart and to give him. And Yoggapatra Janitare Shakti Sancharan. He is qualified for this regard. I gave all my treasure of heart to Rupa Goswami. So you also discuss these things. And here in Chaitanya Chaitamritam, we also discuss these things. The ब्रह्मांड भ्रमित कोनो भाग्यवान जीव गुरु कृष्ण प्रसादे पाए भक्तिलता बीज माली हैया से बीज करे आरोपण श्रवण कीर्तन जले करह सेचन उपजिया बाड़ी लता ब्रह्मांड भेदी जाय बिरजा ब्रह्मलोक भेदी परब्रह्म पाए तबे जाए तदुपरि गोलोक वृंदावन कृष्ण चरण कल्प वृक्षे करे आरोहण. We also discuss this katha. Wandering in the cycle of repeated birth and death, very extreme fortune living entities will take shelter lotus feet of Guru and Krishna. Then by the causeless mercy of Guru and Krishna, he will receive Bhakti Lata Bij, that's got desire to serve to Krishna. Krishna, Seva, Vasana. Because conditional soul, the spontaneous nature to serve to Maya, Maya Seva Vasana. But by the causeless mercy of Guru and Krishna, then he will receive Krishna, Seva, Vasana, desire to serve to Krishna. And this is called the Bhakti Lata Bij, but gardener, that means practitioner, sadhaka, and have to give water that the Bhakti Lata Bij That water is refers at the Savan Kirtan Jale Karaha Sechan, and have to listen Harikatha and glorify the pastimes of Krishna. That means sadhak have to practice the nine limbs of bhakti. Navida bhakti. Then Rupa Goswami Pad also 64 types of bhaktis. Adu Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthanvriti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav and Prem. And also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami again explain Guru Padasra, taking shelter, lotus feet of Guru, Diksha, receiving Diksha mantra from Guru, Siksha, learn from Shastra, Diksha, Siksha, Visram Veno, Guru Seva. Serve the lotus feet of Guru, intimacy. These things also, many things we also discuss these things. Hmm? Then in this way, his Bhakti Lata, and the these are creepers of devotional service to Lord and cross the Brahmanda and material world and then coming in Biroja. After Biroja, Brahmalok, Jyotirdham. Then after Jyotirdham, he will attend Sadasiv Lok. After Sadasiv Lok, then Vaikuntha Dham. After Vaikuntha Dham, he will attend and no, Ramchandra Lok, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, then Golok, Vrindavan. And here also explain Krishna Charan Kalpavrikshe Kare Arohan. Vistarita Kare Prem Phal Mali Iha Mali Seche Nitya Sravana Kirtan Adijal. And still Sadhaka, he is offering the water that is called Sravan Kirtan. And but on the way there are so many defects, faults and obstacles are coming. That is called aparad, nama aparad, dhamma aparad, seva aparad, and especially Vaishnav aparad. And we also discuss Vaishnav aparad is as like Hati Mata, that means as like mad elephant. And so we also discuss these things. If the mad elephant enter in the garden and uprooted of the creepers and throw out very far from the garden. So, but Mali have to and protect the garden and very carefully, especially how to free from all kinds of offenses, aparad. Hmm? And sadhak how to free from also anarthanviti, nishtha, ruchi, asakti, bhav and prem in this sequence also. Especially four kinds of anarthas and Sukriti Uttha Anartha, Duskriti Uttha Anartha, Bhakti Uttha Anartha, Aparad Uttha Anarthas, and Sarubhram, Hidayat Drubballa, Asatrishna, and Aparad. In this way, Madhuja Kadambini and Bhaktivinoda Thakur Jaiva Dharma and Bhajan Rahasya very clearly explain how and sadhaka to develop his bhajan and sadhana attain his highest goal. But on the way also again sub branches are coming and that is called bhukti mukti bancha desire to enjoying the material sense gratifications, desire to liberation mukti bancha and nisiddhachar kutinati jiv hingsan, and there are so many obstacles even hankering for name fame reputation also this is called sub branches and pratishtha asa dhrishta sapacharamani may hidi natit katham sadhu prema suchirito nunu manho and manasiksha Srila Raghunath Das Goswami quoted this verse. Then continue, we also discuss this. Sek jal paya upasaka badi jai, stabda haya mool saka badite na paye. And when you are giving water, but la puja pradishta name fame, that is called the upasaka sub branches. These some sub branches will be very quickly grew up. So for this regard, expert sadhaka have to uprooted the upasaka sub branches and throw out from the garden. That is called name, fame, reputation also. प्रथमे उपस्कार करो छेदन तबे मूल शाखा बाड़ी जाए वृंदावन एंड देन मूल शाखा देवी origin Bhaktilata will be attained in Golok Vrindavan, and they are also manifested in 5 branches. Pancha Sakha. Pancha Sakha. Pancha means 5, Sakha means branches. That is called Dasa, Santa, Dasa, Sakha, and Vatsalya and Madhurya. But those who are expert, sadhaka have to, what is called, steaming, cut the 5, among the 5, one should be cut. And 4 should be, 4 branches should be cut, and one should be and protect. That is called those who are high class exalted sadhaka keep one. That is called the madhurya ras, should be avoid dasa sakha vatsalya and madhurya. In madhurya also again, two, that is called sakya and parakya, and have to reject the sakya bhav, only accept parakya bhav, and braj parakya bhav have to accept. This is the bracket, transcendental and paramuru mood in there. So sadhaka, be carefully to give attention of his bhajan and sadhan, and step by step develop your bhajan and sadhan. And then again also 5 also branches will come, that is called Srimati Radhika's, and 4, that is called Srimati Radhika, 4 types of Sakhis, that is called Sapaksha, Vipaksha, Tarsapaksha and Suhit Paksha. And even Sapaksha, Srimati Radhika's group, own group also, 5 also there. There was Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi and Prana Prishta Sakhi. That is called Prana Prishta Sakhi and Nitya Sakhi. Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi bhav you have to accept. That is called Manjari bhav. Actually, this Manjari bhav, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu indiscriminately distributed all over the world. अनर्पित चरिंग चिरात करुणा अवतीर्ण कलो समर्पयतु उन्नत उज्ज्वल संभ सभक्ति श्रीराम हरि पुरट सुंदर दीदी कदम संदीर्पित सदा हृदय कंदरे स्फुरातु बह सचिनंदन. And Rupa Goswami Pad very clearly explained this verse in his book that is called Vidagdha Madhav Natakam. And how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called the embodiment and munificent and generous. And especially in this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not discriminate who is qualified or who is unqualified. Hano avatare vichar na karila. In this incarnation of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gauru Avatar, he did not discriminate who is qualified or unqualified. Jare tare then prema bilaya. Whatever who is coming in front of him, he is distributed this prem. So he is saying this is अनर्पित चरिंग चिरात करुणे अवतीर्ण कलु. Karuna avatirna kalu. Mercifully he appeared in this Kali Yuga. Sabhakti Sriyam, Srimati Radhika's highest prem, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Krishna, is now releasing. And some just rest of his Uchista, remnants, now he is distributed to everybody. That is called Manjari Bhav. Before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no one discussed about Srimati Radhika's Manjari's Katha. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested this mood in the heart of Rupa Goswami Pad. For this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad, he distributed this prem to everybody. For this regard, one poet, Madhav Jankali Rupa Sarirna Dharata, in this verse very nicely he explained In this Kali Yuga, if Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami would not appear, then so very difficult to understand about the Braja Prem. Braja Prema Ugharata. And who can manifest the Braja Prem? And because generally people they know about what's it called? Vaidhi Bhakti Prem. Vaidhi Bhakti, rules and regulation of Vaikuntha. But our Shastra explain two kinds of bhakti. One is called Vaidhi Bhakti, another is called Braj Raganuga Bhakti. So Braj Raganuga Bhakti leads to Golok Vrindavan. And because Brajavasi, those who are following the footsteps of Brajavasi and how to serve to divine Radha and Krishna under guidance of Krishna, eternal associators, Nitya Parikar. Stay Sarasika Rago Param Avistata Bhavit Tanmai to Bhavid Bhavasa Ragatmika Kodita Ragatmika Anusita Saja Raganuga Uchati. Virajanti Vibhaktam Brijavasi Janadisu. Because those who are the eternal associate of Krishna, Krishna's Nitya Parikar, such as that is called Subal, Siddham, Nanda, Jasoda, and Gopis, especially Srimati Radhika and others. In their hearts, spontaneous, Sahavic group, the love and affection to Krishna. So it stays Sarasika Param Abhishta. And Param Abhishta means that the 24 hours they absorb with Krishna. And so these types of Brajavasis, stays Sarasika, they are called Ragatmik Jan. Those who are the eternal associate of Krishna, they are called Ragatmik Jan. Raga Atmika, Ragatmika. So that means in their Atma soul, spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. And day and night they absorb with Krishna. So for this guy, Sukdev Goswami Pad also quoted this verb, Jadohane, Abahane, Matana Pralepa, Prenchai Chanardvarudito, Chanamarjanado, Gayanti Chainanurakta, Dhyavo Surukanto, Dhanna Brajastriyo, Urukrama Chittajano. Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukdev Goswami Pad told Parikshit Maharaj how Brajvasis they absorbed 24 hours with Krishna. Even in their household, performing their household duties, they also absorb to remembering to Krishna. And when they milking the cows, or when they cleaning their courtyards, or any types of their household work, they all but they absorb with Krishna. So saying Jadohane, Abohane, Matana Pralepa, Prenchai Chanadvo Rudito Chanamar Janado, Gayantu Chainonurakta, Dhyavasrukanto, Dhanna Brajastriyo, Urukrama Chitta Jano. So they are called eternal associates of Krishna. Or sadhaka, and if they listen, the Nitya Siddha Brajavasis, how they have love and affection of Krishna, and then there some greed will come. When this greed will come, they will be thinking, how I will get these types of prem. That time he have to follow the rules and regulation of Braj, and following the under guide, follow the footsteps of Brajavasis. Under guidance of Brajavasi, you have to serve different called Radha and Krishna. So this is called Raganuga Jan. Now coming in this way are those who have no spontaneous love and affection, and according to the Shastra or fear of hell, they are following some rules and regulation. That is called the Vaidhi Bhakti. Raghin Jan Bhaje Shastre Ragai Vidhi Bhakti Bali Tare Sarv Shastre Gai. Those who have no spontaneous love and affection with Krishna and Krishna's parikar, but according to the rules and regulation of Shastra, they are following and for the fear of hell. And so that is called Vaidhi Bhakti. And but sadhaka have first have to practice Vaidhi Bhakti. विधि मार्ग रत जाने स्वाधीनता रत्न दाने राग मार्गी परानो प्रवेश. Practicing the vidhi marga. Oh, internet. Um, and then step by step develop their bhajan and sadhan. Listen Krishna katha, then greed will come. And Krishna bhakti rasabhavita moti kriyatang jidi kutopi labbate tatrapi laulo mullang janma kati sukritan labbate. According our sukriti and spiritual past activity, we may not attain the Braj Prem. But when just the greed will come, greed means lobha. Lobha means here when you listen the sweet pastimes of Krishna's Parikar Katha, how they serve to Krishna, then you hankering, yeah, how I will attain these types of service seva. Um, as like Raghunath Das Goswami explained Bilap Kusmanjali. eh, ऐसे पदाब्जुस्तव विना वरदाश्रमेव नन्नात् कदापि समय किल देवी जाचे सखाय तो ममो नमस्तु नित्यं दस्सायते मम रसस्तु सत्तम श्रीरूपमंजरी करार्जित पाद पद्म कुष्ठंदन भुजार्पितमस्तकाय हा मोदत कनक गौरी पदारविंदम सनभयानि सनकैस्तव किं करिष्ये. In Bilap Kusumanjali, Raghunath Das Goswami, very humble, he is praying to lotus feet of Rupa Manjari. Hey Rupa Manjari, you are servicing the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So please give me this service. Sri Rupa Manjari Kararjita Pada Padma Goshtandana Bhujarpita Mastakaya Ha Modata Kanaka Gauri Padar Vindam Sanavayani Sanakaistav Kim Karise. So in these types of greed will come. And for this regard, Ramananda, he composed this verb Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Kriyatang Jadi Kutobi Labhate Tatrapi Lobla Mullang Janmakati Skritana Labhate. Just to pay your greed. What is the greed? And how to listen this sweet amorous pastimes of Krishna. And this greed will associate with those who are the high class exalted devotee of Lord. That is called Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavita Mati. Mati means buddhi, intelligent. One's heart but buddhi and completely absorbed with Krishna seva. So Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Modi Kriyatang Yadi Kuto Vilabhate. And their heart is as like Rasgulla. If you take out the Rasgulla from the juice, then the juice will be to dropping. In the same way, that types of sadhak, those who are doing bhajan and sadhan, and 24 hours absorbed with and Krishna Braja Prema Katha. And so you have to listen Braja Prema Katha from his lotus mouth. So in this verse very clearly explained, just to pray your greed, lobhamai katha. Because Braja Bhakti not depend on others, only greed. लोभई का उत्पत्ति का कारणम शिला विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद very clearly explain Ragvartma Chandrika, this grantha. Braj Bhakti not depend on other things, only depend on your greed. Lobha utpatti ka karanam. So now coming in this way, just we also discuss here how practitioners and performing bhajan and sadhan, but his bhakti lata arrived in Golok Vrindavan. That's it. তবে মূল শাখা বাড়ি যায় বৃন্দাবন। প্রেম ফল পাকি পড়ে মালি আস্বাদয়, লতা অবলম্বী মালি কল্পবৃক্ষ পায়। তাহা সেই কল্পবৃক্ষে করে সেবন, সুখে প্রেম ফল রস করে আস্বাদন। এই তো পরম ফল, পরম পুরুষার্থ, যার আগে তিন তুল্য চারি পুরুষার্থ। যে হাউ ইজ টেস্ট the Krishna Braja Prem, and so sweet and rasalo. And even you cannot compare with dharma, artha, kama, moksha. And so here we also discuss these things. Now also explain. Actually, this is called the Suddha Bhakti. And this symptom of Suddha Bhakti, here Rupa Goswami Pad explain. Anna Vilasita Sunnang Jnana Karmadana Bridam Anukulena Krishnanushilanang Bhaktir Uttama. Suddha Bhakti hoite hai prema utpanna ate Suddha Bhakti kohi lakshan. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told only sadhaka practice Suddha Bhakti. Suddha Bhakti means pure devotional service to Lord. And if I tell you bring water, so what water did you bring? And pure water and Suddha Jal. In the same way, there are many kinds of bhakti. Karma Misra Bhakti, Gyan Misra Bhakti, Arup Siddha Bhakti, Sangha Siddha Bhakti, Sarup Siddha Bhakti. So there are many kinds of bhakti. Niskama Bhakti, Sakama Bhakti. Understand? I think 81 types of bhakti also there. But here Rupa Goswami Pad explain what bhakti? Suddha Bhakti. Anna Bhilasita Sunnang Jnana Karmadi Anabhritam Anukulena Krishnanushilanam Bhaktira Uttama. Anna Mancha Anna Puja Chari Jnana Karma Anukulle Sarvendri Krishnanushilan. এই শুদ্ধা ভক্তি হইতে প্রেমা হয়, পঞ্চরাত্রে ভাগবতে এই লক্ষণ কয়। According to Narad, Pancharatra very clearly explained. Give up all kinds of material desires, give up all kinds of name, fame, reputation, and karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. Understand? And anukulena sarvendriya Krishna Anusilan. And you have to serve to Krishna, which are favorable for Krishna. Krishna Indriya Tatparjamay Seva. We serve to Krishna. How Krishna will be pleased with his transcendental limbs and body. And so now Suddha Bhakti hoite prema hoy, Pancharate Bhagavate ei lakshan koy. Narad Pancharatra very clearly also explain these types of bhakti. That is called Yuva. Sarvapadi Vinurmuktang Tatparitana Nirmalam. Hisikeno Sevanang Bhaktira Uchyate. Sarvo Upadhi Vinirmuktang. And free from all kinds of designation. And then heart should be neat and clean and nirmalam. Hisikesa Sevanang Bhaktir Uchyate. You have to serve to Krishna, who is called Hishikesh. How to serve to Krishna, Hishikesh? Now, with your transcendental limbs and body. Hisikesa Sevanang Bhaktira Uchyate. Madhuguna Sudhi Matre Namai Sarva Guha Sai Manogote Vichinang Jatha Ganga Ambusambudhu Lakshanang Bhakti Yogasya Nirgunasya Father Ahituke Abhivita Ahituku Abhivita Ja Bhakti Purusottamim Salko Sasti Samippa Sarputta Putam Diyamanang Nagrinanti Binamat Sevanang Janam. मद गुण श्रुति मात्रेन मही सर्व गुहाश्रये मनोगति विचलन यथा गंगा उम्बुसु उम्बुधु लक्षण भक्ति योगस्य the symptom of bhakti yoga that is called ahituki and abhyavita. Ahituki means causeless. Abhyavita means uninterrupted, and that is called incessantly. Bhakti should be um, practice. Bhakti should be um, two things. One is called an ahituki and causeless without reason, or abhyavita and incessantly, uninterrupted. And just give an example, if you drop the honey from the jar, make one line. In the same way, bhakti, practice sadhaka have to practice bhakti in this way. And so here Salukko Sasti Samippa Sarupatapkam Puta Diyamananam Grinanti Bina Mat Sevanam Jana. Krishna says also. And those who are my pure devotee, Suddha Bhakta, even I will give 4 types of Mukti in Vaikuntha, Saluka, Sasti, Samippa, and Saru. But they will not take. So, however, they will take oneness with Brahma, Sajuja Mukti. Bhakti Mukti Vancha Jadi Hai Mane, Sadhana Karile Prem Utpanna Na Hai. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continue explain. One who practice bhakti, but in his heart, these are for sense gratifications, these are for how to merge in Brahma, by Mukti. And so how possible Suddha Prem will manifest in his heart? Eh? So Mahaprabhu told Herup very carefully, practice Suddha Bhakti. Bhakti Mukti Spriya Javata Pishachin Hidi Vartate Tavad Bhakti Sukastatra Katham Abuddhayo Bhavit. Bhakti Rasamrita, this is important sloka. And once Rupa Goswami Pad, he was writing Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Then one great scholar person, and Pandita, his name, what is his name? Balabhacharya. And Balabhacharya, he asked Rup, what granthas are you writing? Then Rupa Goswami, very humble, I am writing Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Oh, very nice. And what slok are you writing now? Then he told these slokas, Bhukti Mukti Spriya Javata Pichachini Hidi Vartate Tavat Bhakti Sukham Statra Katham Abuddhya Bhavit. That means one's heart desire for enjoying sense gratification or uh, enter desire for enter mukti. Bhuk- So bhukti mukti as like Pisachini. Eh? How possible Suddha Bhakti will manifest in his heart? Eh? Then Balabhacharya he told, oh, many people they are performing hard austerities, how to merge in Brahma. So why did you compare Mukti which Pisachini, which ghost? Um, then Rupa Goswami Pad very humble. He told, oh, you are a great scholars person. So you may edit my this slok also as you like. Then Balabhacharya, he was very proud of his own eh, scholar, his scholarship, intelligent. He told, okay, but now time is over, and because now there is called midday, I have to take bath in Jobuna. When I return back, maybe I will check your this book and especially these slokas. But in front of his Rup Goswami Pad's how it is called nephew, eh, he was sitting Jiva Goswami Pad. He is very intelligent. Jiva Goswami Pad, how possible my Gurudev Rupa Goswami Pad wrote, that is a perfect and so how possible he will edit this thing. So Jiva Goswami Pad, he also just pretend. I'm going to fetching water from the Jobuna. Where Vallabhacharya, he was taking bath in the Jobuna, in same step, same ghat, where Jiva Goswami Pad came and and filling the water in his pot and cleaning this. Then Jiva Goswami Pad start to speak with Vallabhacharya and about this log bhakti mukti spriya japad pisachi nidhi vartate stava bhakti sukam statra katam abudya bhavit. Hmm? Then Jiva Goswami Pad after here in this verse very clearly explain the desire to enjoying sense gratification or margin Brahma. That is called the Pisachini, ghost or witch. And in this verse, not compare with the ghost or witch with the mukti, but here they compare the desires and understand these things. Then Balvacharya he became very surprised. Oh, you are very intelligent. And yes, now I understand you are very qualified. Then Balvacharya after and having take bath in Jovuna, then he came to Rupa Goswami Pad and told, who is this small boy and in front of you? Oh, then Rupa Goswami Pad very humbly he told, and he is my disciple, also my nephew, Bhatusputra. Eh? Then Balbhacharya, oh, he is very intelligent. And, and now I realize, and your nephew, and he is very intelligent. And even he defeat me, and about this slokas and argument. And so how possible I will edit your book? And then Balbhacharya he left the cottage of Raghunath, what is called Rupa Goswami Pad. When he left, then Rupa Goswami he became very angry with Jiva Goswami and told, why you defeat to Panditas? And he came here for his name, fame, reputation, but you defeat. And so maybe again he will not come here. Eh? Then Rupa Goswami was very angry with him and told, go out here, no need to be with me. Eh? Then Jiva Goswami Pad, he became very upset. Then Jiva Goswami Pad, he came on the bank of Joguna and he was staying one place that is called Bhaigaon in Braj. And on the bank of Joguna, that place is called Bhaigaon. And he was staying one cave of the crocodile and staying in there and day and night crying. And Hagurudev, Hagurudev, Hagurudev. And in this way, 1-2 days passed. Sanatan Goswami Pad, he asked, where is Jiva? But no one know. Then one Brajavasi, he told to Sanatan Goswami Pad. And they had one also small boy, and we know him as like our Chote Baba, because all Brajavasis call to what is called Sanatana Goswami Pad as like their Bade Baba. Or Chote Baba, he is now in this hole of the crocodile. And this is the thing. Then Sanatana Goswami Pad, he came and with love and affection brought him in the cottage of Rupa Goswami Pad. Sanatana Goswami Pad asked to Rupa Goswami, hey Rup, tell to me what is the teaching of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Mahaprabhu की शिक्षा क्या है? Then Rupa Goswami Pad very humble told, Jive Daya Parama Dharma. They give the mercy to the fallen living entities. This is the best dharma. Jive dhaya parama dharma. Eh? Then Sanatana Goswami Pad told, why did not give mercy to Jiva? This Jiva. Jive daya parama dharma. Give the mercy to the all the living entities. Also Jiva Goswami, Jiva also. Why did not give? Eh? That time, what is called Rupa Goswami Pad, he realized, then he embraced to Raghuna, what is called Jiva Goswami Pad, and again he gave shelter unto his lotus feet. In this way, Jiva Goswami Pad, and he established the highest philosophy of his Gurudev, Rupa Goswami Pad. And so now coming in this way, how we will serve to Guru. And so here bhakti mukti spriya japuta pisachiniti vartate tavad bhakti sukhastatra katham abuddha bhavit. সাধন ভক্তি হইতে হয় রতির উদয় রতি গাঢ় হইলে তার প্রেম নাম কয় and three types of bhakti. One is called sadhana bhakti, and is called bhava bhakti and prema bhakti. And sadhana bhakti, practicing sadhana bhakti, then roti will manifest in our heart. And shraddha, sadhu sanga, bhajana kriya, anartha-vritti, nishtha, ruchi, asakti. And after asakti, then roti will manifest in the heart. And so here sadhana bhakti hoite hoy rotira uday roti gada hoile tare prem naam koy. When the roti will be more condensed, that is called bhava, or bhava when more condensed, that is called prem. And Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained in this sequence. And asakti, shraddha to asakti, that is called sadhana bhakti, then bhava bhakti, then prema bhakti. রাগ অনুরাগ প্রেম বৃদ্ধি কমে হয় স্নেহমান প্রণয় রাগ অনুরাগ ভাব মহাভাব হয়. In this way, when prem increase, then prem also more and more condensed form, that is called sneha. Sneha means love and affection. Then sneha more condensed, that is called the man coming, anger. Then anger more condensed, there is a pranay coming. Pranay means your heart is my heart. That means there are no difference. And your heart and my heart, same things. So pranay, rag, deep attachment, anurag. When you deep attachment following the footsteps, that is anurag. Then bhav, then mahabhav. Here also giving an example as like the sugar cane. Ganna, ganna just want to sugar cane. Then sugar cane, taking the rose. Rose means juice. Then you can make also good melasi. Then khandasar and sarkara. Sarkara means sugar. Then more purified. Then coming Sita. Then coming Sita Misri. Then also coming highest or best types of Sita Misri. So in the same way, practicing Suddha Bhakti, sadhana bhakti, step by step, our heart will be neat and clean, and then we realize how is the topmost bhakti. So here also step by step explain this way. এই সব কৃষ্ণ ভক্তি রসের স্থায়ী ভাব, but sadhak will practice Suddha Bhakti, then he will attain the sthai bhav. Sthai bhav means fixed mood. On the platform of sthai bhav, and then four kinds of ingredients will come. What are the four kinds of ingredients? Vibhav, Anubhav, Sattik and Vyabhichari. Here also explain this way. Sattik Vyabhichari, স্থায়ী ভাবে মিলে যদি বিভাব অনুভব, সাত্বিক ব্যভিচারী ভাবের মিলনে কৃষ্ণ ভক্তি রস হয় অমৃত আস্বাদনে. Jaiche Dodhi Sita Grita Moricha Korpur Mulane Rasalahai Umrita Madhur. And if you prepare very nice and juice, and rasalo juice, then what to do? Collect first and Dodhi. Dodhi means yogurt. Then Sita and Grita. Grita means ghee and Morich. And Morich means black pepper. Then Kopur. Kopur means camphor. And all these things you also and mix together according to the proportion and anupat. And that means how to know this proportion of first read Rupa Goswami Pad Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu or Ujjwal Nirmani, then you will come in the Grantha of Raghunath Das Goswami's Grantha. How to mix all these ingredients, how to develop your bhajan and sadhan, and so we are seeing this. And भक्त भेदे रति भेद पंच प्रकार शांतरति दासरति सक्खरति यार वात्सलरति मधुर रति यही पंच विभेद रति भेदे कृष्ण भक्ति रसेर पंच भेद दास सख वात्सल्य मधुर रस नाम कृष्ण भक्ति रस मध्य पंच प्रधान. Five prominent bhakti principle and rasas, that is called Santa ras, Dasa ras, Sakha ras, Vatsala ras and Madhurya ras. And then seven types of also and secondary and Gondaras, that is called Hasa, Adbud, Veer, Korun, Maitra, Rudra, Vibhatsa, Bhoy, and this also. And by Panchara Asthai Vyapi Hoy Panchamane, Panchaguna Bhakta, Saptaguna Adant Agantu Paye Karane. संत भक्त नव जगेंद्र सनकादियार दस भक्त सर्वत्र सेवक आ. संत भक्त who is the example of संत भक्त, that is called नव जोगेंद्र सनकादि four kumaras, सनक सनंदन सनातन and sanat kumar. And so here also दस भक्त सर्वत्र सेवक अपार. And so second, that is called dasa bhav bhakta, those who are completely absorbed in Krishna seva. And Sakka Bhakta Siddhamadi Pure Bhima Arjun. And again also explain Sakka Bhakta in Braj Sakka Bhakta and Dwaraka Muthra Sakka Bhakta, Vaikuntha Sakka Bhakta. And especially in and Puri, that means and that is called Dwaraka Puri, Bhima and Arjun. And Vatsal Bhakta Mata Pita Jata Gurujan, Vatsal Bhakta devotee, that is called parents, Nanda Jasoda. And also Vishcharya Margya and Madhurya Margya. And Nanda Jasoda, they Braj, Shuddha, and Vatsalya. And our Devaki Vasudev in Mathura, they are mixed with Aishwarya Mishra Bhakti. Vatsalya is there also. And yes, Aishwarya Jnana Mishra, Kevala Jnana Veda, Kevala Vedar, Gokule Kevala Aruti, Aishwarya Jnanhin. Puridaya Vaikuntha De, Aishwarya Praveen, Aishwarya Gyan Pradhanna, Sankuchita Priti. Dekhilo Namane Aishwarya, Kevala Priti, Kevala Riti, Santa Dasa, Sakir Aishwarya, Kaha Uddipan, Sakhe Vasalle, Madhu, Rase, Rase, Sankuchan. Vasudev Devaki Krishna, Charana Vandila, Aishwarya Gyane, Duhar Mane, Bhai Hoila. And when Krishna entered in Mathura, then first Krishna, he killed and Kamsa. After killing Kamsa, Krishna entered in the dungeon of Ugrasena and he released from him. And then Krishna came in the place of Devaki and Vasudeva. Okay? But Krishna, he wanted to touch the lotus feet of Devaki and Vasudeva. But Devaki and Vasudeva, they did not allow to him. Why? Because they know, though Krishna is an ordinary boy, but he is the supreme personality of God, is saying Bhagavan, Bhagavad Buddhi Gyan. And for this regard, um, Devaki and Vasudeva, um, they did not allow to Krishna to touch their lotus feet. And because Vaishyagane Duhar Mane Bhai Hoilo. Krishna is our son, but he is supreme personality of God, is saying Bhagavan. Eh? Vaishya Marga means they are hit component. And hit components, so he is the great. I am insignificant in front of him. And these types of mood of Vaishya Marga Bhakta. There is a hit component. And Devaki Vasudevascha Jagadishwaru Krita Sangvedana Putru Sajayate na Sankito. Devaki and Vasudev, Krishna and Balram, eh, they know they are Jagadishwar. That means Devaki or Vasudev, they are thinking Krishna is called Jagadishwar. Jagadishwar means who is the supreme controller of world. Jagadishwar. Eh. So for this regard, Devaki and Vasudev, they did not embrace to Krishna. Here saying Jagadishwar Janiya, Sankit here Alingan Korlenna. কৃষ্ণের বিশ্বরূপ দেখে অর্জুন ভইল ভয় সক্ষভাবে ধ্রাষ্ট ক্ষম পায় করিয়া বিনয়. Though Arjun also Sakhabhav with Krishna, eh? Which Arjun? In Dwarka. Eh? But he has moved towards Krishna as like their Istadeva. Eh? Pandav, used to him Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev. Here Arjun means the son of Kunti. Krishna Vishwarup dekhi. When Arjuna, he saw Krishna's Vishwarup. Vishwarup means universal form. Then Arjun, he also afraid. And he jumped from his chariot and folded his hands to Krishna and told Krishna, Saket Matvang Prasabang Jutang, he Krishna, he Jadava, he Saketi. In this way, Arjuna, and he had Sakhabhav, but opulence mode. Here also. Sakheti Matva Prasubhang Jaduktang. He Krishna, he Jadava, he Sakheti. Ojanata Mahimnam Tavidang. Maya Pramadang Pranavapi. Jataraja Sarthamadam Ektan Satkritu Asim. Vihara Sajjasana Bhojanesu. Eko Opi Atha Pavachuta Satsangam. Na Kshamayam Tam Ahang Pramedya. Prameyam. And here very clearly Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And Arjun, he also very humble and paid his obeisances, lotus feet of Krishna. And this katha also explained this way. And then again, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told in Dwarka, Dwarka Rukmini Satyabhama, there also Madhurya Ras, but Sakya. Sakya means relation with wife and husband. And কৃষ্ণ যদি রুক্মিণীর কইল পরিহাস কৃষ্ণ ছাড়িবেন জানি রুক্মিণীর হইল ত্রাস. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss this katha in Dwarka, how Rukmini, she also and Oishwarya mood with Krishna. And Krishna is Bhagavan also. Though wife and husband, but they are thinking. And Krishna is not an ordinary person. And, but in Brajavasis, in their heart, very simple. They never think Krishna is Bhagavan. Dekhilo Oishwarya Namani Oishwarya. Even they saw many kinds of opulence eh, of Krishna. But they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. Eh, So maybe next class we will be discuss Guru Premanandi Hari Hari Bolo. Now my time is over and 7:15 and next class also. So if you have any question, you can ask and thank you. Hare Krishna.